All right, folks, so today we're going to be working on your About page. So let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing you need to do is add a content block. We're using, again, this one on the top left here. We're going to type up here, some things about me. Okay, that's the title that we'll write. And then over here, we're going to insert an image. So you can use an image of yourself if you like, but I prefer just to use something fun for now that represents me. So I'm going to choose from the Bored Ape collection, which if you're not familiar with the Bored Ape collection, it's a collection of NFTs. I don't really like what's coming. Maybe I'll choose that one. That one's kind of a nice one. So there's my Bored Ape. Go ahead and make him a little bit bigger. Perfect. And now I've got my picture that I've chosen and the title that says some things about me. Then we're going to come down here. I'm going to change this text size to subheading. And then I'm going to come over to my checklist and copy and paste the questions. Remember, when you're copying and pasting, you should definitely do Command-Shift-V. That will allow the font to come in the same size that you picked. So the first question is, what is my name? So make sure you're writing in complete sentences always. My name is George Maddox. And then once I've answered the question, I can delete the question. What are you interested in doing after high school? I will write, I am interested in going to college in the Bay Area, which is actually what I did after high school. So then I'll delete that. Perfect. Where in the world would you want to travel and why? So I want to travel to Japan. I want to travel there because I want to climb Mount Fuji and eat lots of sushi. See how those rhyme? That's nice, right? All right, now I'm going to delete the question again. Bang. All right, what is your favorite food and what is the strangest food you had before? My favorite food is all things Indian food. I love, for example, malai kofta, butter chicken. There's so many wonderful things in Indian food. The strangest food, and you see it only says one sentence, but I'm just going to write in two. The strangest food I've tried was rattlesnake tacos. I had those when I was visiting some family in Phoenix, Arizona. So now I'm going to delete this question. What are two interesting things you've learned about your country in this project? What have I learned about Mexico? Well, I've learned that Mexico has many different states with different kinds of food and culture. I've also learned that Mexico City has buildings still standing that are older than the United States. That was an interesting thing I learned. Perfect. So now I've got some things about me. I've got my picture over here, and I've got my answers to my questions all in the right font size. And then I'm done. This is my About page.